Hello today from the Canadian Motorcycle Show on YouTube. Hey, I got something in the mail. This is really neat. I haven't opened it yet. Uh, I ordered it through Amazon. So let's open it and see what it is. I think this is going to shock you. Okay, here it is. These are called, Kuriakin sells them here in the United States and Canada, but actually they're made by another company which is called Kellerman. And what happened was my signal lights on the rear of my bike were just not bright enough. They were shitty. So I had to find something to replace them. All these bulbs out of the Orient that say they're LEDs, they're kind of useless. They don't really have the power they say they do, I find. And I couldn't find a bullet style that I liked anyways that would have the power to really show off my signal lights. So, can you believe this is going to be my signal light? Just a sec here. I think I got to take this one off too. They're not cheap. These things are about 89 bucks Canadian. But, wow, do they put out light. They'll put out better than any bulb I've ever seen for the rear. Okay. Let's open this up. Oops. You gotta, I guess. Mm. There. I think I got it. Yeah. So if I this off. We'll eventually get it out. So we're trying to get it out of this package. Here it's being a little tough. There. These are German made. That is it. And they are super bright. And they will really give a bright rear light to my bike. There. Now I'm gonna have to find, I know, little washers. So that's it, made by Kellerman. Gonna have to put some little rear washers on it because where it goes, the hole will be too big. So once it's all hooked up, I'll show you how good a signal light it is. Okay, here's the front Sylvania lights at night. If you can see anything, they're brighter than what they used to be, definitely. They're blinking not right because I still got to get into that headlight bucket and fix that problem that I had. But here's the rear ones. Are those bright? Definitely bright. So is the tail light. You can really see that. Those little bulbs really do show up. So I'll fix that headlight problem as soon as I get a chance, and we'll be on our way.